They will judge you anyway, so live your life. Let me tell you something. People will judge you. Doesn't matter what you do. You get it right, they'll judge you. You get it wrong, they'll judge you. That's not about you. That's their upbringing, their thinking, their experience of life. I got judged all the time, twice divorced. Must be his fault. He's the common denominator. What's wrong with him? You hear it, you feel it, and if you're not careful, you start believing it. But here's what I learned. Those people who don't know your story, they don't know what you've carried, what you've tried to hold together, what you've lost along the way. They just see the outcome and make a judgment. And for a long time, that messes with your head because you start questioning yourself. Am I the problem? Did I ruin it? Is something wrong with me? And then something changed. I met someone who didn't see me like that. She saw the man who took responsibility, the man who showed up for his kids, the man who kept going, even when everything fell apart. She didn't judge the breakdown. She saw the rebuild. And that's when it clicked for me. Your life isn't defined by what went wrong. It's defined by what you do next. Yeah, I wanted a family every day, didn't get that. And that pain, it was brutal. But life doesn't always give you what you planned. It gives you what you build next. So I built again, not because I love getting married, but because I believe in love. I believe in building something real. And here's the truth. Even if things don't work out, that doesn't make you a failure. What matters is, did you show up? Did you take responsibility? Did you give your kids your time, your presence? Because that's what they remember. Not the money, not the house, you. So if you're in a bad place right now, thinking your life's gone off track, it hasn't. You're just in the middle of it. And you can build again, better, stronger, clearer. So what if people judge you? Let them. You've got a life to rebuild. If you want to see how I came through it, it's all there. Unlockyourpromise.com. Be good, keep smiling, and don't you dare give up.